Nam ta kini kam spai lada pisha select pi poi final merit list te pia ban tre kumnu hadu r pusaus nem with color extendable by 2 years tumulba kin extend yang sa ars nem lada ganam biang by screening of 49 years of age whichever is earlier te kane kam dere ka agnivir te kanmau kitu ada pia degree lada ko apply sa apply kule juri fibro kim tip nam ta kubor like kam spai nam ta ke badep ya ka graduation hajrong kita ke BA MA MSc BSc terter te shon po yata ka jingkar pat na galing jonga te subha share ban follow hapo Facebook page Spotland Diaries Instagram Spotland Diaries basa kaweru lada pi tit ne shedlen man tit jing tit online pilap ni rap da ka ba pi tit likini link gi badap don hapo da tit Flipkart lane hapo kamentra pilaban klik ni gini link handik ba mi bi hapo ayu kita to end commission na itu ngelak banyak commission tela dapat klik lomba tu pi check de kuai pada kitiar ngelak banyak commission ta kada jing rap pojong pi bat la dapat kuat tit na Amazon pada ngan bu link apa description te pila ban klik lomba tu link bisa tit kinu kitiar te kan yara ban ai commissionnya te tangkan nehi tengen yat namta habe de bekin di post jong kam spai balai kini gede nam taki bapas graduate med mud ba ada degree BA MA BSc BCom BTech kumta terter kila ban apply nam tagi ni kini kim demo agnivir kan mau ha bon kiba thaj ban apply agnivir te melere te penyuta Indian Army invite online application from candidates for recruitment of Havaldar education in the category of IT cyber information operation and linguist te kemawa kan di post Havaldar laga jong tengnya page menta te hawe de ka last date ka jista hani kam thore tama tip kan kod bihodu April te kan kam tho last date kam tho era te kat ba mi kane apply no on up slam kam tho last date kam tho era te makana kan kami ringkat bergia ayu te debe nadu kan artrik adu 10 April kata ka jinggar songa tamba khaban apply no kat ba yo jing tip ya kane marba slam tho re kan no last date kan no ka ero ngala page tho era eligibility criteria kasnem kadai arpho hadu arpsans nem telada pnandon hapo jing gini film apply te gladap thong ne as on 1st October 2025 te date of birth gladap ai kidei bandai bankha kini ki tarik 7 Oktober 2000 terter hadu 7 Oktober 2000 hapdeng gini nadu kane 7 Oktober 2000 do 7 Oktober 2000 ki bakha hapdeng gini kila man apply both days are inclusive kan mama then egi te post mo ga educational criteria nam ta kane Havaldar page bha Havaldar IT cyber qualification nam ta kane BA baro kila apply tamba kadon la pade la ka priority la ka jong graduation / post graduation with minimum 50% marks phya pass by phya bio by ya ka san 4% pade ha degree ada BA BTech no noro ma phya bio by san 4% kadon ka priority number 1 kam shimshwa BSc MSc information security BSc MSc information technology BSc MSc cyber security BSc MSc cyber forensics BSc MSc cryptology BSc MSc BTech computer science BCA MCA computer application BSc data analytics BSc data science BSc MSc AI and ML or equivalent ta kanegri ka priority number 1 te ka priority number 2 tekini ki BA ki MA ki BSc MSc mathematics BSc MSc physics chemistry BE BTech electronic moro ki habaga priority number 2 baro ki BA in habai ka priority number 2 te ka ga jing priority number 1 priority number 2 ha ka priority number 1 pnyo bonus life homework mari khambiang ka eligibility khambiang ka jongkin margidej phanga IT cyber bonus of 30 marks will be added to the final merit list for candidate possessing education qualification under priority 1 for Havaldar IT cyber mudba lada kine ki qualify haga well added to the final merit mudba haga final by nderian manta hadin ke final by tilda kine ki final ki poi do angtu ken sayo life ho bonus mark pade te kenma ba ta to kitu ki bamu ko apply ka te gila apply saya ka bi bete kanega kedan sakoi ka Havaldar information operation kene Havaldar information operation bede umju hi nero graduation and post graduation tangma hangne bede ki BA ru ki yo ha ya first priority mo tangne page ta priority number 1 BSc MSc information technology BSc MSc BTech computer science BA MA mass communication BA MA journalism mot ki BA journalism ro yo BA MA psychology BA MA sociology BA MA Public Administration, BA MA Political Science, BA Military Study and Defense Management or equivalent. Ini kita have priority number 1. Mama BA Sociology, BA Psychology, BA Political Science have priority number 1. Priority number 2 kini ke BA MA English Literature, BA MA Urdu Literature, BA MA Kashmiri Literature, BA MA Tibetan, BA MA History, BSc Multimedia, BA MA BSc MSc Mathematics, BSc MSc Physics, BSc Chemistry, BTech. Terik baru upload hangai baik. Priority number 2. Te kabonos mak orkaju live homa kenyo bonus ya ki priority 1 hakanero. Te tang tuma hadu ba kila poi baik haka final merit list. Final gemo haka final merit list. Te kenyo live ho ka taka marks kenyan adlang hadu final. Dan sa kabalai ketika Havildar Linguist. Havildar Linguist kanebne graduation post graduation hi kanero sanfo percent baik kan maba ada duna ya sanfo percent premium akan apply. BA MA in specified foreign language Chinese Myanmar, BA MA in English to BA MA in English la apply with diploma in specified language or equivalent kana di haka first priority piap da diploma ro kini BA MA English with diploma in specified language or equivalent. Okay. Kawan sa priority number 2 BA MA English literature, BA MA political science, okay political science gi amyo, BA MA history, BA MA BSc MSc mathematics, BSc MSc physics, BSc MSc chemistry, BTech electronic. Tang kita have priority number 2. Then kita give priority number 1 in your like hopes and bonus mark for the final will be added to the final merit for candidate. Haka final merit pada kan saat like hope pada shua one week final list pada. Ada ki qualify mo. The above mandatory educational qualification should have been acquired by individual from recognized university. Okay. Dan yang don biang sakawai ke Havildar pada. Kadon biang sekoi ka Havildar pada kan pentip lang haju tuma ka dela ka jong application ma. Kane pada kada yang taga the selection of candidate will be carried out for Havildar surveyor automated cartographer. To nam taga ne sabta nam taga ne kalam sau talino Havildar. Teka qualification nam taga ne kan debe minimum education question for appointment of Havildar SAC is as on the nearum ta BA BSc with mathematics. Udama BA BSc with mathematics dimension mathematics BA ro kana first yuma dimension mathematics BA and BSc with mathematics and should have passed 12 class 10 plus 2 or equivalent with physics chemistry and mathematics as main subject and minimum 50% marks in each of them. Tikini tangi science student kana urba ada pila pass ka BA BSc mathematics ro BSc mathematics ro tangba class 12 dimension science by physics chemistry and mathematics tangba baro kita dimjo by san marks sejrong minimum 50% in each of them. So kitu kila apply nam takane ka Havildar or Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Technology, BTech, degree in Civil, Electronic, Electrical, Instrumental, Mechanical, Computer Technology, Computer Science from any recognized university and should have passed 12 10 plus 2 equivalent. Even depe yaga 12 science la deshim kono no kalanjro to maha class 12 even depe ki 12 science with 50% marks in each of them, physics, chemistry and mathematics. Ta nomor ba kide kiju ki kriteria da sanga bahan namta kini baro kini kiju kriteria kahaj fan kong te kahaj namta kane jong ka Meghalaya kan waha kahaj namta kine kahaj kan debet marbingi haba poka Eastern Himalayan te kahaj kede shispa andrupo ka wait kede sawopra ka chas kede nyo iskan mau kata kiba ko apply la pi tam ya guys andrupo la apply dan baro kina di online registration by apply online te ka buy application ka debet kabai examination fee kada be arspassan forinka helps you online te sakan mau kata te namta kini te kan mau kadon be ka phase 1 phase 2 phase 3 kumta phase 1 kan debe ka online examination ta de pranata sapo ya karali sepen biang ki dokumen namta karali ru kan mau ha te namta kara kane exam ka kandon sebagai exam te kandon la cut off omdere baro ba shu pass be kandon la cut off te ka paper pattern ru kila de ai te sampai jane kan mau apa yang tu kadang ke paper 1 general awareness, general English, mathematical aptitude by reasoning kan ada sanfo question mendon negative marking ra yele ban benda baro marks per question shima kawai shikanta paper 2 specific subject for specific trade 100 maximum mark 100 question shima kawai mendon negative answer ra ar kanta ipor te kum ga laka jog don like liam IT kadon rote kowe administration kadon du la kajong street ken ai ka pat paper tu kadai kat kum kijong kai te kisa ayam ta ka minimum passing pada. It will be mandatory that candidate obtain a 40% marks in paper 1 and 2. Have cross by 40%. Passing in both paper compulsory. Mun hapro atlik paper hab yo compulsory. Shua ke paper 1 na sanpo ada kumno arpol na kan hab yo bay na ta. And then passing in both paper successful candidate will be shortlisted for appearing the PFT mudbak sapo ya karali ganya thau e bro na tapi pass you qualify sapo ya kajimara. Sapoy ka recruitment rally apoy ka recruitment rally sakan mau ki ege gidan kam habra pensa yo admit card yang sesen pia printed ya kata ka admit card on good quality paper kidor arpo tali kan mau color be bara teka education certificate baro pada certificate pada mark sheet pada admit card ya baro ada misal certificate apa apply lupa ka certificate la yo badge ST adon college character certificate mar magane de nam tag degree shab yo college character certificate and character certificate from the village character certificate with photograph issued by village sarpan na po shnong it's I relationship certificate don kamre affidavit kane affidavit phaban pha nagi lawyer nikridar phabale kata naga on 10 non digital stamp pan card cha apply no don kam na da select don kam Aadhaar card is mandatory. Ki Aadhaar card tabun ba yubej. The tone PAN card and Aadhaar card are mandatory document for final enrollment for purpose of pay and allowance and other social benefit scheme. The nam tamar ba final yu don kame tapi hable wej ya ka Aadhaar card ro. Sarpan sendaga sebab okay. Physical fitness test kaner kile kumju hi kumha ka agniwiri 1.6 km run apo 2 minute or 4 second umdan marks re tangam tu tang man qualify pull up zigzag balance most pass 9 feet ditch most pass tang man pass te adam tagi don saka adaptability test kadon saka medical examination tangi ba poi final lesi kilaban poi syakata te kitu ba le baha ko apply te asdang no ban apply ten dalam tu kisah don medical gidon ge dokumen ge ba kesapa dikena te kisah poi kita baro te haka iro ka jui haka ne ka kamade jong ka ne ka surveyor havildar surveyor iju hi ginon kam kamdon re ka jing affair iju hi ginon kam 8% po yu e bro ka ge ju hi exam e bro tang ka paper hangne bede paper jong ka ne ka surveyor kadon ka paper 1 mathematics shispa mark san question arma ka we mdon negative marking re paper 2 physics and chemistry shispa mark san question arma kawai nil kanero te hangnero kajui 1% de benyo bai habot de paper 1 paper 2 de benyo bai 1% or 1 mark rispa kapan cross bai man poisha ka final man poisha ka jingmara maradon shwa ka exam kini gidon be shwa ka exam te la ko amne ba kini dap graduate ka dap yu ko apply nam kini te sa apply no nomor ba hangne kham thore ga last date ne ga yu ga no ro te phaban le no kloi ban apply la dapat kuat ban yo ekini ki kam sipai tes apply nan mikini ki detail boro ona daban batai habe de bat ni kam sipai etangkat ni kuplejun